The good old circulator pump. If it ain't broken, well, you should probably still go replace it. Why? Because in a time where every watt of energy counts, old functioning pumps may not be well-functioning pumps. Simply because they use up to 17 times the energy of a new Grundfos pump, which means hundreds of pounds in extra energy costs for the homeowner, making a new pump earn itself in less than 2 years. So how do you know whether a pump needs replacement? With the Grundfos Go app, you can easily go from 84 watt to 5 watt. Scan, find, replace. It's that easy, and it doesn't just go for Grundfos pumps. You can search more than 14,000 of the best-known pumps on the market and find the perfect Grundfos replacement. You may know the known problems like incorrect balancing, noise, and block systems, but pumps that use way too much power are usually unknown. The time has come to bring them out into the light. So let's go for lower energy consumption. Replace the old circulator pump, and let's go more energy efficient.